Hello everyone, welcome back to another great episode of Raihana'S Cuisines. Today we're going to be doing a quick tutorial on my gas stove, my portable gas stove. I've had so many people asking me, emailing me, messaging me and commenting they want to know more about it. So we're just going to do a very quick short tutorial. I'm going to show you how it is. I absolutely love it. In fact, I have ordered this in the 6 years of doing YouTube. This is the second one that I've ordered. One did go bad, but so in that case, you can tell that it's a very good quality. So I will put the link for this gas stove and also the butane that you will need to use this in the description box below. So this is a very simple gas stove, and that's the reason I got it, was because it's simple. This thing comes off, and at times I have thrown it in the dishwasher and it's worked fine. So that goes here. Now I want to show you here that if you open this up, this is where it stays. The butane stays in there, and we're going to unlock this. So basically it comes out. I apologize for it being a little dirty, but I've had it for 4 years, and I try and clean it as much as I can, but I use it so much. So there are some features in it that are really good, all right? And I'll let you know. But so you take the butane like this, you know, you open up the top. So you've got it like this. And then you just line up this arrow over into this chamber here. So you see how this is, the arrow is right here, and then you lock it. Once it locks, you're ready to use. So then it's ready to use, all right? So you have this in this position, okay? Because your gas is finished and you are trying to open it or lock it. It's not gonna happen. See, these are the features. So you have to have it in the off position, and then you lock it, then you close it, and then when you go over it. So that's the high setting, and then you can take it all the way down by moving the knob. It's gonna go all the way low, and this and you can just turn it off. When I'm not using it, I will just do that so nobody can go ahead and turn it on. So that's about it. Basically, I've had comments asking how I love it. It's long lasting. I love it. I know they are very inexpensive. For the work that they do, they're very inexpensive. I don't remember the price, but all the information will be in the description box below. So I hope this answers all your questions. If I have missed something out, please go ahead, comment below. I read all my comments and I will get back to you and answer all those questions. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you've already subscribed, thank you so much for supporting my channel. If you haven't subscribed, and if you enjoy my videos, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and then turn the notification button on the side, so then you can get notifications every time a video has been uploaded. So thank you so much for joining me on this episode of Raihana'S Cuisines. Hope you can join me here next time with another great video. See you then.